You've been lied to about indie filmmaking. See, while big studios are busy remaking same old stories, indie filmmakers are out here breaking rules, winning awards, and making bank. No fancy equipment, no big producer backing, just pure hustle. But here's the question: why are Nigerian filmmakers still scared to go in? The truth will definitely shock you. Stick around because today's Filmmaking Friday is dedicated to exposing the raw secrets of indie filmmaking, plus the new tech that's changing the game forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
And subscribe.
My bros and sisters, ever watch a film so raw, so real, and then you ask, why Nollywood no dey make films like this? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of indie filmmaking, where creativity meets hustle, where no big studio boss tells you no.
But
Mato,
agree to
how you doing now?
not bring you this script. This one is
What do we have here, Mato?
not chicken.
Hey, um, oh wow. This, this is good. This is impressive.
You're mad.
Wow. You know, na cinema standards with this, oh, like this now. Netflix go dey find you like this, oh.
You don't be telling me someone bring you one script because
Ah, whoa, this is good. This is good. This is good. But Mato, you know, say this your story go dey hard to shoot, oh. You know what I think. You know what I think. Make we find one rich Lagos boy wey fall in love with village girl shoot. You understand? If you do that kind of thing, I'm gonna just shoot that one. You know, this story go dey hard, but this story, you go keep am, we go shoot am. You go, we will visit it later. You understand? Uh-huh. So the story mad gone, but make we just find one rich Lagos boy wey fall in love with village girl shoot, so that Netflix go fit buy am sharp sharp.
no matter keep it.
Yeah, keep am. Yeah.
Okay, for
They no fit find am. But wait, before you think indie films are just low budget Nollywood, you are wrong. In fact, indie films are the future. And guess what? They just concluded AMVCA 2025 proved it. Small films are taking over. What is indie filmmaking? Indie films are like jollof rice. No big restaurant backing, just pure passion and fire. But seriously, indie films are independent production. No big studio, no big man interference. It's just you, your camera, and your crazy story. Most people think indie films are cheap. But let me ask you, was The Lion Heart cheap? No, they were broke. But let me also warn you, here's the truth: indie films are risky, no guaranteed returns. But if you win, you change the game for your team. Why indie film matters? They open doors for new talent.
Caution. Found the movie Close Up, Scene 2, Take 5.
Nollywood's biggest stars today, many started indie. No gatekeeper, just raw talent. Two, it promotes diversity. Hollywood, they give us their superhero films. Indie, you get Yoruba folklores, Igbo epic tales, northern dramas, stories we never see. Three, creative freedom. You think say Netflix go allow you make films about some underground cult war or some kind of things where they go on for your country? E no go happen now. Indie films no get limit. You can tell your story the way it is. 4. It breeds culture. Indie films preserve our real Niger stories, not just some rich Lagosians and village witch troops. You remember living in bondage, breaking free. It all started as a bold idea before it blew up. All right, before we continue, let me bring you the latest and the trending in the world of filmmaking. First, the highlight from the just concluded AMVCA 2025.
Mercy Aigbe! Adedimeji Latif and Adebimpe Oyebade Adedimeji. Chioma Chukwuka.
The just concluded AMVCA proved that indie films are dominating. Small budget, big impact. Panasonic just released the Lumix S1 Mark II. This camera is a beast. 8K video recording, insane low light performance, perfect for indie filmmakers who want Hollywood quality on a Niger budget. This camera makes iPhone footage look like NTA broadcasts. DJI just dropped the Mavic 4 Pro, and this thing is a real game changer. This drone is too sharp. 10-bit image, 40-minute flight time. Imagine the shot you can get for your next short film. Remember, last week we talked about the Godox KNOWLED MG6K. This week, Godox has dropped another banger. The KNOWLED MG 2400R lighting revolution. This one smaller, cheaper, and just as powerful. Perfect for indie sets. This new MG 2400R is a full color spectrum beast. Perfect for studio and on location shoot. If you are still using Torchlight for your film in 2025, I beg, upgrade. Okay, we are back for more indie film source. Make sure to stay to the end because we have a secret sauce for you to fund your next indie film. But before we continue, if you're looking forward to creating a faceless YouTube channel, watch this video. You've probably heard people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate unlimited high quality content effortlessly. And why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper with my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now. Okay, so let's start with common features of an indie film. First, limited crew and equipment. They know wahala happen. Hollywood got hundreds of crew members, but most of my indie films run on me, myself, and I, and maybe one loyal guy helping me with the reflector. But guess what? Constraints breed creativity. Mainstream films must appeal to everybody, but indie films, they speak to somebody. These films don't need box office validation. They find their tribe. Indie films are time capsules. 50 years from now, people won't remember Chief Daddy 2, but they will study Lionheart for Igbo family dynamic. How to start out as an indie filmmaker. Start small. No Avengers budget. Your first film no need to be Obi-Wan Kenobi meet Onikulakbo. I love in Igbo language. Assemble a passionate crew. Find your ride or die team people who believes in the vision, even if pay is small. Now, how do you fund your indie film project? Platforms like GoFundMe, Indiegogo, even Nigerian Art Grant can fund your film. Some people think that crowdfunding is begging, but if you believe in your story, why not let people support you? There are also sponsorship. You can partner with brands that align with your vision. Personal investment, save and allocate funds wisely. Be creative and resourceful. It's part of the indie spirit. Indie filmmaking is not easy, but it's worth it.
Grounds, like, yes, I need to be hearing this stuff, like, you have been beaten, you know. Okay. So, Eric, please, I need this story. That story, let not be casual.
Gunshot. Found the movie Close Up, Scene 2, Take 5.
Well, action! You know what to talk at me? Look at me! I'm not a regular detective. Shit! I didn't expect that.
Found the movie White Shot, Scene 2, Take 3.
Stop waiting for big producers. Grab your camera and tell your story. Next week, we are revealing 5 secrets to getting your film on Netflix. Don't miss it. Smash that subscribe button to stay updated.